You can agree probably that a dead piglet is worth less than a living piglet at least, right?
Less, yes.
And again,
Okay.
Your Honor, I think you've already ruled on this objection.
Your Honor, for us to establish the value of the piglet,
He's answered it. He's agreed with you, move on.
thank you. And we can also agree that there are thousands of dead piglets at Smithfield Foods at any given point in time, correct?
Objection, Your Honor, I think.
Sustained.
You didn't inspect the piglets that were removed from Smithfield in March of 2017, did you?
But didn't what?
Inspect the piglets removed from Smithfield in March of 2017?
No,
So you don't know if they had any injuries or disease?
I do
And if animals at Smithfield do have injuries or disease, they are often discarded, correct?
Again, objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
You testified that piglets, I just want to restate your testimony previously, that piglets have value at Smithfield, correct?
not. Yes, they do.
Okay. Does this include piglets that end up in a dumpster outside?
Again, Your Honor, objection. We've gone over this 3 or 4 times.
Sustained.
Smithfield is a food production company that sells the piglets for meat, correct?
Yes,
And that's how you obtain value from the pigs.
not necessarily.
Uh,
There's more.
Smithfield is, you said it was a protein production company, correct?
It is.
And piglets that are discarded into dumpsters, presumably these piglets are not sold for meat,
I
correct?
think this is the 5th time I've stood and objected to this line of question.
Your Honor, I'm just trying to
It's
establish,
sustained.
Okay.
I don't want you mentioning that